Okay, welcome to this week's video review from Magnetic Trading on the index market. So every week we usually report what we've been trading for the week, but actually last week we didn't trade. We are short-term traders, and some might say we're day traders, but that doesn't mean that we trade every day. We're not going to trade if there is no opportunity. That means that we'll log into our live room every day, and if there is an opportunity, we'll simply tell our clients that there is no trade. And that's really hard to do, and it can be very frustrating for our clients, but we're not going to put them into a trade if the environment is not correct. And the environment means that we need to be seeing high probability setups coming in. Now, this is quite different to other jobs or careers that you may have, because generally you go to work and you do something, but in the markets or as a trader, there are days that you come to work and there is nothing to do. And certainly that was the case for last week. We were looking at the market, but really nothing catching our eye in terms of risking our hard-earned capital. So going into next week, we probably will get a trade. The probabilities are stacked that there will be a trade, considering we didn't trade last week. We've just had expiry, so January options have just expired. So generally you can see a break of the consolidation range. So a consolidation range is when the market's been moving up and down in a very tight range, and then you get this break and some clear trend direction. So I'm expecting that, particularly on the FTSE next week. Above 600, I'm still very much bullish on the FTSE, and I believe that we can move up to 7,000 over the coming weeks, months. If on Monday we can break the 5-minute bar up, it's a good solid reason to be buying the FTSE. Now, something else I wanted to discuss with you today is inflation. Now, inflation is the real purchasing power of your money being eroded every year. Now, typically inflation is 2 to 3%. It's when the cost of living goes up. So housing, food, holidays, whatever it is, the cost is going up and you need to pay more for it. Now, as a result of COVID, what we've seen is we've seen governments printing more and more money, particularly America. Now, that means that the real purchasing power of your pound or dollar or Aussie dollar is going to reduce. So just leaving your money in the bank account doing nothing in a very low interest environment is actually losing you money. So just think about that. You've done all your hard work, you put your money into a low risk environment, but actually behind the scenes you're actually losing money, and around 2 to 3%. So it's really important that you do something with your money, whether that's investing it, whether that's short-term trading, whether that's long-term trading, whatever it is, you must do something. Now, in terms of investing, you can buy gold, you can invest into the stock market, you can buy property, you can do trading, but the message is, particularly for the younger generation, is that you must do something, as otherwise your money is going to lose money over time, especially with all this money being printed. Now, in America, what we're seeing is the stock market is just racing higher and higher and higher. And a lot of individuals scratch their head wondering, well, how is the stock market moving up so much when the economy is so bad? The answer is because all this money that the government is printing to stimulate the economy, it ends up in environments like the stock market. That's why the stock market is continually moving up and making people money, but those people not participating are not benefiting from that. They're actually losing a lot of money because the dollar is depreciating so much. Same as the pound, same as the euro, same as the Aussie dollar. It's all the same. And actually, if you look at the stock market itself, you could say that inflation is very much in that stock market. It's just it's hidden away. It's not in direct eye contact on a day-to-day basis. So get invested, do something with your money, get trading, whatever it is. We're here to help you at Magnetic Trading. We specialize in long-term investing now via our Pro Trader program. We do short-term trading to provide an income and a return on your hard-earned money. So get in touch if you're new, email us and let us know how we can help you.